Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, I would like to tell you I make tutorials on graphics designing usually. Today we are going to learn that how to edit a picture with Minique and how to put back assertion. So let's get started. Let's remove the background first. You can any tool in which you can think you can do it better. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus I to inverse the selection and hit the delete button to remove the background. Let's make corrections with pen tool. Always go for round corner sleeves instead of sharp edges. If you have not watched my video on how to use the pen tool, I will add an I button, you can watch it later. Let's import the back. Though this is a different color, all the items back are the same, so I am using this as this was available for now. I want to make the neck a little deeper. Simply go to Filter then Liquify. Push it down gently. The back is a little curved, let's correct it too by again taking Liquify tool, and this time we will push this up. Take the eraser and remove the extras. We are going to use the pen tool for the neckline to take a good selection. Hold the Control key to adjust the one end only. Take the eraser tool and remove the extra corners. Take stamp tool and make corrections. Hold Alt key to take samples. Let's add some shadow on the back. Take a new layer in between them. Paint with black. So there are fringes of Monique. So first we will remove this. Let's take the pen tool and make a selection. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus C to merge the selected layers into a new layer. Take a new document with white background. Convert it into a smart object so that its quality doesn't lose. Hopefully, you have enjoyed this short tutorial and learned something new. If you like my content and have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do share with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching.